and the air of the cat. Look at him, legs are bending and the knees are not. Look at him, down is obviously eggshell shot. And the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl.
Why are you so rude? Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you stare them off.
Now that's what I call